Hey guys, this is Elliot. Gonna start running a series called Stock Talk. Today we're gonna be going through something called a long call option. A long call option is a way to bet on a stock's price going up. It's like a coupon that gives you the right but not the obligation to buy a stock at a specific price. We'll call that the strike price. On a specific date, you pay a price for this coupon, which is called the option premium. So we're going to go through an example of how this works. We're going to talk about a stock. We'll call it, for this example, we'll call it a stock named Cool Bikes. Cool Bikes right now is trading at $50. And here's my today. There's $50, right there. You decide to buy a long call option with the strike price of $55 that expires in 1 month. So that means you're buying 1 month from now the option to purchase this at $55. So there's our 1 month. And so this is the price. You pay a $2 fee for that premium. So your option premium is $2. Now let's talk about what happens with this. And so once again, at this date, 1 month from now, you have the option to buy it at $55. Let's say, for example, that our stock price goes up, So today it's at $50. Maybe it goes up to $55 a week from now. And then a month from now, it's up here at $65. Or, we'll call that $63. Well, in this case, you would make a profit, because what you would do is, at the time in this month, you have the option to buy it for $55. So you buy 1 share for $55. You immediately, because the price is $63, sell for $63, giving a profit of $8. We'll talk more about that in a second. The other option here, is instead of being 50, the stock price could maybe go up for a second, go down, maybe up, down. But at this 1 month date, we'll make it down a little further. We can say that it ended up being $46. Well, in this case, you still have the option to buy it for $55, but why would you pay more than the price of it? You could buy it for $46. So your option expires, and you're out the $2 fee. So I guess you lose the $2 premium, The other thing I would add, I forgot here, is you profit $8, but we forgot about this $2 option premium. So your profit is actually $6. So here you're losing $2, and up here you're gaining $6. I would add that these are mostly sold in packages of 100 shares. So in this case, if you did this with 100 shares, you would make $60 because it would actually be a profit of $8.80 minus the cost would be higher at 20 equals 60. Or you could lose the $20. One nice thing about this strategy is if you look at your maximum gain and your maximum loss, your maximum loss is going to be the option premium. So you are protected from downside. On the other hand, the maximum gain is unlimited. Just to note, right, like the stock price isn't going to go to infinity, but if the stock price went up to 100, you'd make $50. If it went up to 1,000, etc. So you can make as much money as it goes up. The stock price isn't going to go to 1,000,000, but you can make all that. Thanks for joining me today. We'll do more stock talk next time.